Hey there. So guess what? Apple just made a big decision, and it's shaking up the tech world a bit. After pouring a lot of time and effort into developing an electric car for about 10 years, they've decided to hit the brakes on that project. But hey, it's not all bad news. They're shifting gears and putting more focus on artificial intelligence, AI instead. How cool is that? So why the change of plans? Well, it seems like the excitement around electric cars might be cooling down a bit. But don't worry, Apple's got their eye on the future, and AI seems to be where it's at right now. This project, called Project Titan, started way back when self-driving cars were the talk of the town in Silicon Valley. Apple had some big dreams about releasing a self-driving car by 2024. But you know how life can be, sometimes things didn't go exactly as planned. The COVID-19 pandemic definitely threw a wrench in the works. Despite pouring billions into research and development, the project hit some roadblocks. So, they've decided to change lanes a bit. Instead of aiming for a super futuristic car without a steering wheel, they're focusing on making a more traditional car with some fancy advanced driving features. And Apple's not alone in rethinking their plans. Other big car companies, like Tesla, are also shifting their gears a bit. Tesla's even expecting a bit of a dip in sales this year. Elon Musk, the big boss over at Tesla, even had something to say about Apple's decision. He tweeted out a little salute and a cigarette emoji classic Elon. Overall, it seems like the car industry, especially the electric car part of it, is facing some challenges right now. But hey, that's just how it goes sometimes. The important thing is that companies like Apple are staying flexible and looking for new ways to innovate. Who knows what cool stuff they'll come up with next?